Yeah, my beautiful people, don't know. Welcome again to another building and wiring 101. So, running a couple of them wiring, I think at a dryer, you know, a 10.3. And we have the washer, yeah, man, which are 12 yellow wire, you don't know. The man said that we are going with now, but run out most of the wire them already, you see it? Yeah, man, so. We need to put up a fan box right so. But when it go fall, no stud not did it so. Now get this cut, fit in it, put up a fan box. Yeah man, master bedroom I come along. See it there? You know me alone there. See box where I talk here. The box there, is it? Yeah man, we kinda try to get the center as much as possible. You know the strips? Yeah man, and them we have to tie in them because when they for inspection, you know, you have to tie in all of the neutral them in one and all of the ground in one, you see it? Yeah man, so you see if you can get that, you call it, get the amigo them to cut up some board for me and me use them so I cut it whichever one. Yeah man, and that for the edge vac them. Yeah man, so them up top this, you know the settings, you know, we are going to do, you know, because we have the wire for running and all these things, you see me? Yeah man, so go over here so go see what them go out with car. Hey, I'm not checking with them from there. You see me? No, I'm not checking with them from there at all. You don't know, you know. Yeah man, and so we panel box here. Most of the home run them gone in already. You see it? Service wire have to come in, cut out, that not buy yet. You see me? Now go on bad for me alone. 1 week and 1 day. Yeah man, and you know the strips and the garage door open now. Yeah man, see it there? Running it to, you know, one main wire from here so. You understand? To the box there in the middle, and then you have 2 wire from that the box there now. Where run them go so. So you can't board a beam there, you know. And when you can't board that, you board that automatically feel so. 1 come down here so, and 1 gone over. You understand? Right over here so. Need some stapling nice still, you see it? But muddy area. What? Amigo them are going man, see them there? You see it? Yeah man, but the judge see I know. Wow, careful in that place there, you know. All them are going with a bag of things, you know. Yeah man, I see him ugly face, you know. You see me? Yeah man, we're there, you know. Get the cut. So now, I'm going to do a little measuring, a little nailing, and all these things. Let me can't put it in. That's why I want. Yes, I. Come on, baby. Don't play that game with me. Please, I can't. As close as straight as possible. You know the settings, you know the strips. You know we not lie. Right fit. Yes. See it there? Put in that, put on the fan box pan, you know, you see me? Yeah man, you have to improvise, you know. I will get the box, I'm showing you the box like where we can use, you know, fan rated, same way. Put them in a room, same way. You know the settings. Yeah man. Just look right above my head. Yeah man, that one the fan rated too, you know, but you don't know. We not know now, so let's go buy that. Put all our more, you see me? Put no gas, but not when I know so I can cut piece of jice and slap it in there, you know? Yeah man. See box, huh? Yeah man. You use them self-tapping screw that you put in, eh? You see, so I have to use my drill. Just like that, and I like open the notcher, the there, so I open the one because the ground on the right so you put through the wire right so, and you can put the ground wire upon that, ground the box, set speed, you see me? Yeah man. Simple as 1, 2, 3. So, sure no matter what now. You see it? I don't really have a strip wire now, because I like wacky box. I have a ground wire, come right through. Come right through. So you can put the ground wire upon the screw and then you just ground it to the unit, to the fan or the light or whatever it is. Me I say, and you cap off the next wire and lift you up there. Until the homeowner decides say, I'm going to put up a fan, the wire still there already, 2 switches there, so no problem, you understand? Then I have to cut back the wall and all that make a thing. They make it easier in the future. You don't know the settings, you know. Yeah, man. So, put on back the cover upon it. So when the sheet wrap man come, then not really full up your mud. Because the box will full of mud easy and then I will knock you out. Damage all the wire and them thing there. You see it? Yeah man, don't say already, don't know you know. Yo, you know say I host stop that? Yeah man, I say host stop coming up. But they ain't got no space. They ain't got no space, so guess what? Uh-oh. How am I gonna leave it? Yeah man, see how stop come now man. I don't know if I'm gonna drop it on the lot over there so. Side of that trailer over there so. I don't know if that's how I'm gonna put it. But hey. That's the whole stop. You see this up here? Yeah, all of that you see? Yeah man. That is on the truck right there so. But them not ready for it yet. Them not ready for it yet. Them only have this wall up. I think them say they want help with one of the wall, so I have to go help them because them sharp and people. But yeah man. So the whole stop come. So I guess him have to go back with it. Uh-oh. Because there ain't no space. And him can't put it in front of this one. So I have to wait till them done, you know? My beautiful people, don't know what settings, you know. You know what I'm saying? Almost finished, but we need one more than black wire there. A black wire there. Yeah, man, we need one more of them. I think a 6-2 that. We need one more of them. But remember me I telling you about the attic? Yeah man, I hope that we are going now, you know. So this is going to be the switch for the attic. And it's going to feed the attic hot power too. Yeah man. See the unit them there? Yeah man. Them call them the furnace, 2 of them. Yeah man, so I'm going to put up a light socket and a plug. Put a plug right there so, or up there so, either there so, or down here so, and then put a light right up there so. You see me? Yeah man, so you have a leather in there and everything, you know? You don't know. Take a journey in the house before anything going on, you see it? Yeah man. See it there? Nothing at all. For nothing at all going on. You see it? Yeah man, before nothing at all going on, before you even done frame out properly. You see me? Yeah man. I think I showed you downstairs already. Yeah man, nothing at all. Ah. I look up in the heavens. Yeah man. Them are almost done, you know. But them not completely finished yet. But yeah man. Sure no what go on. For nothing at all going on it. Yeah man. See there? No roof. No roof. I know the settings. Yeah man. This is how it looks. Before them even frame out a little pretty tub. Yeah man. Nothing at all. You see it? I want to them frame up. Them frame up here, so. And put on roof on one side. You don't know, you know. And see the little covering for the porch, eh? You see me? Yeah, man, so I guess at this is how the way I look before the roof go on, funny. I think I'm probably cut out them here. Because I never see them in the next one. But yeah, man. See it there? See one little bathroom is there? Yeah? Yeah, man. And I think this is the washroom. And this is the front room. Yeah. See there? Well, nothing at all. Be a sky. You see it? Yeah, man. Building 101, you know? I know me a building, so I wire the next side. You probably wire this too. Not sure yet. Because so I go on. But you don't know. Yeah, man. I'm going to wire it, you know? You see it? See it there? So you look on the outside now before them put on the wrapping. See guy put on it. How you call it? The Eve. Yeah man, the man that's killing them, man. Yeah man, but see it there? So you look, you know? And see brick come for that one there. And the material them, so you know the shapes. Yeah man. So my time to go home now, you know. I pull the stump, you know. See man I sort out him Eve material and pan, so see if I look, yeah man I him do that thing, you know, so and above the roof and something them, but look on that. 2 little pieces of iron man I climb on. Boy, me I tell you. So the man I use go on the house. That's what you used to go up there. Aye. Yo, you Superman, no? Yes man, you Superman. Huh? Yeah, but you by yourself? You see that? That my use go up there, no? And 2 pieces of iron with that pan you see material behind him. Yo, me I tell you. Yo, me? Nah, go up there, so. You mad? So, nobody with you?
No.
How come?
He's got come late.
Oh, he come late?
Yeah. The guy he passed me the work late.
Ah. You see that? Yo, tomorrow I'm come and show you finishing project, but boy, me I tell you. I don't know when I get to ever nothing about, but I like to see him go before me move. And skill, boy. You see that's up there, so? That, you step on it, and the next side go. See it there? Yo. That's all, folks.